Hi guys. So the question for the day is, a 16-year-old male patient presents with complaints of chest pain. He is an exchange student from China. Investigations show that he is suffering from a cardiomyopathy, which is due to a deficiency of a certain micronutrient. Which of the enzyme does not require this micronutrient as a cofactor? A. Glutathione peroxidase, B. D-iodinase, C. Thioredoxin reductase, and D. Carbonic anhydrase. So when you see this question, it is a combination of pediatrics and biochemistry. These type of questions are now very often coming in your exams. So first let's try to highlight the keywords. China, cardiomyopathy, and deficiency of a certain micronutrient. So we all know that selenium is one micronutrient whose deficiency it causes cardiomyopathy, that is the Cushing's disease, and it is endemic in China. So let's learn which enzymes require selenium as a cofactor. So I used to learn, I knew that selenium is an important topic while giving GTs only. So I made the mnemonic like only that GT-DE. These are the enzymes which require selenium as a cofactor. From G, you have glutathione peroxidase. It is an antioxidant which is present in RBCs. From T, thioredoxin reductase, and DE, it shows D-iodinase, which is required for thyroid functioning. So GT-DE is a mnemonic which you can learn enzymes which require selenium as a cofactor. So let's study about selenium. Selenium deficiency, it causes Cushing's disease, endemic in China. Caschen-Beck disease, it is also similar looking to Cushing's disease, so I included it here. And it is endemic osteoarthritis of pre-adolescents in China. Selenium deficiency, it can also be seen in patients with total parental nutrition. It presents as brown hair, whitening of nails, and macrocytosis. This is a PYQ now. Selenium deficiency, it is often associated with vitamin E deficiency. It is a PYQ, very old PYQ, but it has come. Now NEET PG 2023 question. Zinc deficiency. Zinc deficiency, it causes acrodermatitis enteropathica. And you can learn like this by using a mnemonic DAD, the triad of this disease. From D, you have diarrhea. You all know that in diarrhea, in kids, we always give zinc. So zinc deficiency, it causes diarrhea. From A, you have alopecia, and from D, you have dermatitis. What kind of dermatitis? Periorofacial and acral cutaneous rashes present. The rashes present around the mouth and in the genital area. So this is a PYQ from 2023 and it is very important. From O, we all know that carbonic anhydrase, it requires zinc as a micronutrient. And the medication which is an inhibitor of carbonic anhydrase, it is acetazolamide. From acetazolamide, it is also known as Diamox. You can learn like Di, it causes RTA type 2. RTA is also very important topic. And also acetazolamide, it is a drug of choice for mountain sickness also. So that's how you link topics and revise things. So even if this question comes in your exam and you have no idea about what is the enzyme, which enzyme requires selenium, anything, you all know that carbonic anhydrase, the cofactor is zinc. So you should try to rule out options. You can definitely mark answer as D, carbonic anhydrase, even if you don't know anything about selenium, because you all know that zinc does not cause any type of cardiomyopathy. So it is an odd one out in this. So here's how you can, it is a type of a cheat code how to answer question in your exams. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Thank you.